What's up, man?
Hey, what's up, Panic?
I love the fucking song Chris Benoit because, first off, I've always been a Chris Benoit fan. Even though it ain't really about Chris Benoit, it's just taking, what he did. I know there's a football player that did it recently, too. I don't know who the fuck it was, though. He had shot his girlfriend and then shot himself in front of his coach or some shit like that. Same thing.
No, dude, he didn't shoot himself in front of somebody. No, he, killed his girlfriend. He didn't do it in front of anybody.
Oh, okay.
No.
Well, see, I heard that he shot his girlfriend 9 times and then went to practice or something, shot himself in front of all the players and coaches and shit.
No, dude. You got to read up on it. He didn't do that shit. No.
Oh, shit. So that's like,
fucking crazy. No, he didn't do, that crazy. Dude, I'm from Kansas. He didn't do that. No.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I heard that on Fox News.
Oh, well, Fox News. Dude.
No, actually, I remember the night that Chris Benoit, because the night he was supposed to be at Night of Champions, and he was going to face somebody for the ECW title, which I was fucking excited for because he was back in ECW.
I remember that. He was supposed to verse CM Punk, and that would have been a good match. He was supposed to win the ECW title that night.
Yeah. And then CM Punk fought somebody else for it, and then CM Punk ended up being... Yeah, there you go. And they still did a good match, but I was wondering, what the fuck's going on? And then that's the same time that Vince McMahon was supposedly dead or blew up, and then they had to fucking scratch that storyline.
I remember that.
Yeah, that was... Oh, shit, that was a crazy fucking time. But yeah, that song's dope as fuck. Even though it's not about Chris Benoit, it's fucking, it's still sick.
They were doing fake death storylines, right?
Yeah.
Right before the real death. And then they had to kind of put a halt on their storyline death.
Yeah. I bet he felt real smart.
Kind of fucks up and breaks the fourth wall,
Yeah. But I better go back in, man. We're getting fucking busy as fuck. I just made sure I wanted to call in.
Yeah, no doubt. Thanks for doing that, dude.
Yeah,
no problem. We'll see y'all later.
All right, peace out, dude.